I freaked out. I just love this song.
Pony is wonderful. I think for someone to be confident enough of their talent to work with PNG, because he's so specific and he's so clear about what he wants. He's one of the most clearest directors I've ever seen in my life. So, you know, it really takes a strong choreographer to work hand in hand with him, and they work beautifully together, and they kind of finish each other's sentences. And do you have anything you'd like to add
about Pony?
Oh yeah.
Actually, what am I going to say? आपने सब कुछ बोल दिया. You're so flowery when you talk about everybody.
Okay, very good.
It's amazing because it's you and I. We'll be together till the end of time, and I have to do it. You and I. I saw you have to say it really fast, but it looks really good when it's slow. But it's part of the job.
Well, I wanted to make it really very passionate and romantic. But as everybody knows, it's Akshay Kumar, and Akshay really wants to have fun at the shoot and on the sets. So now we made it very cute and bubbly, and I think the whole chemistry is working between Akshay and Katrina.
मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे बाकी सारे बंधन तोड़ दूं, जो तेरे तक ना जाए उस रास्ते को छोड़ दूं, हर ख्वाब मेरा उम्मीद मेरी मैं तुझसे जोड़ दूं.
Sunil and me, and we were made to sit out in this big, huge thing. But it's fun, it's cool. A lot of people.
Very big crowd.
क्राउड ही इतना है कि शूटिंग नहीं कर पा रहे, हम परेशान हो गए कैसे हम उनको साइड करें.
And so many Indians in the middle of all this. It's unbelievable, it really is.
हाँ, आज यहाँ गाने की शूटिंग चल रही थी, तो हमारे लिए कुछ ज़्यादा खास काम नहीं था, तो एडिट किया, डायलॉग नहीं, क्राउड.
Very difficult.
It was an eye-opener. It was my first time seeing so many people at a film shoot. So it was a good experience.
You and I will be together till the end of time. I promise I will never let you go. Now that I know you love me.
चलूं मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे बाकी सारे बंधन तोड़ दूं.
I have to say Singapore's beach looks really real, though it's man-made. It's kind of warm, and they put me in the water today. They threw me on the sand. I had to sit on Sunil. I had to jump around like a monkey, and I got hurt. I got hurt. No, I got a little hurt because the sand here is really grainy. So I fell down and it scraped, and there was blood. But I still did my shot because I'm a professional.
Yeah, that's not my fault. It's because of the sand. It's artificial sand, and there's such big pieces of gravel in it.
There were 3 changes that day, and PNG is known for his super quick timing. It was me and Akshay shooting, and Sunilji and Samira shooting, so it was, you know, kind of going from one couple to the other. So we did the first change, which I thought was beautiful. We shot on this bridge, and it was this wonderful romantic shot, me and Akshay kind of skipping down the road. And PNG, I had my hair fully tied up, and PNG says, no, I don't, this is okay for the shot, but for next change I want full open hair and curls and all that. So I said, okay PNG, I'll go run and come. And I came back
he wants to know
2
about
hours
the
later.
song, not about
it's an
the
interesting experience.
Not about your disguise.
It's an interesting experience. So I came back 2 hours later, and the whole unit was standing there, and PNG was really mad at me, and I got in big trouble. So that was my experience. Do you have any special
How
experience?
do you like the song? He wants to know about the song. Tell him.
Everyone knows it's a nice song, and we obviously like it, or we wouldn't have put it in the film. It's a
one
superb
of a
song.
very good romantic number. And Preetham Saab, जो इनके म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, उन्होंने काफ़ी काम किया, मेहनत की इस गाने के ऊपर. I think the first day when we started hearing it, it took a little bit time, but after that, on the second day, we were humming that song. Even at night before going to sleep, after brushing my teeth, I used to hum that song. It's a nice song. You should listen to it. Very rarely does Preetham come with good song, but he does come. And I think anything else?
It's a sweet romantic song. It's the kind of song I think that gives you that feel good vibe of when you're happy, you're in love, and it's just, you know, you're living everyday life together.
सब रिश्ते नाते हंस के तोड़ दूं, बस तुझसे दिल का रिश्ता जोड़ दूं.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.